Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a TikTok video in WordPress website. So let's begin. However, if you don't have a free account, make sure to check the link down in the video description below to get started with a free account. So in order to start, you are going to have to log in to your WordPress dashboard. After you're logged in, make sure to go to the posts section. So hover over posts and select all posts. Now we are going to select a TikTok video to embed in our website. So let's go to our TikTok and then hover over share and then select embed. After that, we are going to copy this code. So the code has been copied. Now we are going to go back to our WordPress page. Now you can either embed the video on an existing post by hovering over your post and clicking on edit, or you can just add a new post and add the video to your new post. So I'm going to start from scratch and add a new post. We're going to give our post a title. After giving a title, you can type down something in the block section and then continue to the plus sign on the upper left corner. So we are going to click on this plus sign. We're going to search for HTML. And then we are going to drag this custom HTML to our post. Now we are going to paste the link we had copied earlier. We're going to click on previews so that we can see that everything's working properly. And as you can see, the TikTok video has been embedded here and we can see it perfectly in the preview. Now we are going to publish the post. Alright, so the post has been published. Now we are going to click view post. Alright guys, so we are now viewing the post, and as you can see, we have the TikTok video here and we can play the TikTok video from our post. So guys, that is how you can add a TikTok video in your WordPress website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.